what does a proper Amazon PPC audit include? A proper audit should be more than this is how much spend it goes, that it's not converting, Sometimes it can be that you're spending money on things you should not, but most of the time I see that the most helpful Amazon audits are not only for you as the brand, but is most helpful for the one auditing your account, because they would know what leverage points they can use right away to get you to your goal, either to increase sales, either to decrease spend that is not producing any income, either to get a better understanding on how to restructure where the spend goes. So when someone is going to offer you an audit, a red flag that you should be looking into is how they overpromise, or whenever they are guaranteeing something, I would run. And when I'm saying about guaranteeing, it's like by this much we can grow you right away and so on, unless they are showing you with data that they can save you X amount of money. When it comes to audits, how would a proper Amazon PPC audit look like? Honestly, with my experience so far, I would want to know if that person gets my business of where my ads are right now, where I want to go, and how my current structure can help me with their knowledge and skill set to go to the next level. I would not treat it anymore as I got that moment. Reason for that is because we lost one of the brands this way. For us, it was obvious that we can save on one campaign only. It was like $7,000. They were spending so much money and they never turned back. They did not return to us to take over the account and manage the account. What I learned in that scenario is that I saw the problem right away, but they were looking on, answer me, how can you grow my brand? Learned it the hard way, right? We lost the client actually this way. But this is really important for you to understand, what does the brand owner is looking for? Are they looking for increasing sales? Because then the PPC audit should be about increasing sales, and how would you do it, and what are the things that you would be doing? Is it to become more profitable? Because then you should be focusing on how can I make this audit as helpful as possible for them, right? So if they want to implement it themselves, they can. If they want me on board to implement it, I can. But really look at what is the goal of it, because right now you're just not going to showcase them like flashy demo of your skill set, but you're going to show them, you're going to answer exactly the problem that they currently have. This was very in-depth, but I think this is really important, especially if you're a brand and looking for someone to manage your ads. By the way, feel free to book a free strategy call where we can conduct this type of audits for you. It's very important because especially nowadays, it's like everyone is offering you a free audit, but what is a free audit? So it's really important that it's something that's helpful for you.